Okay, here's a quick unboxing of a coffee maker that we got. It's from Disney. So it's the Mickey Mouse one we got from Disney.com. I ended up accumulating points from my Disney credit card. Here we go. Put that aside. I want to grab a mug to compare it because this is small. So in comparison to our Keurig machine, you can kind of see side by side how small it is. Then I guess you open the top like this. It is small. Little tiny filter that it comes with. And then here is the Mickey Mouse mug. I don't know if it says the size on it, but maybe on the website it does. But there it goes, pretty small. Let me get your cup. What size is this cup?
20 ounce.
In comparison, so you guys can see, this is a 20 ounce mug. And if you put it side by side with the Mickey Mouse one, you can kind of see how much smaller it is. But this is a good size for one person. Okay. So I forgot to add this in there. So this little thingamabob, you can take it out, you can clean it. The on and off button is right here on the right hand side. I opened this one. I don't think I showed the reservoir that well. And then I believe on the instructions, so on the instructions, it does say that it is a 12 ounce mug.